Mali ka kasi ng ano. Ito, ako, explain to you. Eyelashes. And then people, meron pubic hair in, puwet meron. Ako asking you, do you believe your eyelashes and your hair in your hair is connected? Inside.
Body inside?
Oo, body connected.
Body inside?
Oo. Do you know?
No.
Wrong.
Yes or no?
Wrong.
Just asking why.
Just asking why.
Why?
Ano ba yung bunutin?
Bunutin.
Bunutin.
Pilte.
Bunutin.
Why? Pilte. Your hair in the anal. In your eyes.
Kito. Kito.
Why?
Kito.
Oh yeah.
Kuning na.
Why?
Kuning. Kaya nga, kito.